Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my slow English video. It's me, Shushanto Paul, in front of you. And today, in this video, I will tell you each and everything very slowly so that you can understand me very easily. So in today's video, I will tell you how can you improve your English very easily, or how I learned English by myself. I learned English by myself at home. I didn't go any institution or any coaching center like that anywhere. So it's very easy to learn English by yourself at home. If you have a smartphone and if you have internet, if you have data connection available on your phone, then it's very easy to learn English or to learn anything from social media. I learned English by watching English videos every day. So you can watch English videos every day on YouTube, on Facebook, and other social media you can follow. And if you are a beginner, then you have to listen or you have to watch English videos every day. You have to listen English a lot. When you will listen a lot, then you can understand English very easily. And if you maintain your regularity, if you watch English videos or if you listen English every day, after 3 months you can understand English very easily. Even you can speak English better than me. So you have to practice, because there is no any shortcut way to learn English or do anything good. So you have to practice every day and you have to maintain your regularity. You can learn English by yourself at home. So you don't need to go any institution or you don't need to go anywhere like that. So if you want to learn English from the zero level, and suppose you are beginner, so you can start your English journey by listening skill. You have to listen a lot. When you will listen a lot, then you can understand English very easily. It will be a piece of cake to you. So why are you waiting for? You can start your English journey from today by watching videos. And when you will watch video, in that time, try to repeat the sentence. Like on the video, content creator said, "Hello everyone, how are you today?" You can repeat it. You can pause your video and you can repeat, "Hello everyone, how are you today?" So you don't need to memorize. You can just copy him. Copy the intuition, and you can say each and everything that way. You can follow that way. Okay. So that's it for today. I don't want it more longer. And have a good day. Keep practicing English every day and keep watching videos. That's it for today. Goodbye. Have a good day.